We walk away from a relationship when we realize there's no room for growth, there's no room for improvement, there's no room for progression. So I guess I have both experiences in my life, connecting with people who had imperfections, but there was no room for growth, there was no openness for dialogue, there was no progression there. And oftentimes in those times I wasted a lot of time trying to change things, change relationships, change people who didn't want to be changed. And therefore sometimes you have to just give people space, breathing space, and then come back later when there is opportunity. So I have that experience, but I do also have the experience of people who had certain opinions or certain conceptions or certain imperfections, but through our relationship they changed. In fact, I can say I had imperfections and someone invested time in me. And because they invested time in me and educated me in my own imperfection, I also improved. So yeah, definitely I think that gives us great hope in relationship building, because if we go out there and we just look for perfection, we're probably not going to be able to connect to anyone.